Hello, welcome to Shenda Sunny. You might need to off silent.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, great. We can hear you.
Okay. Okay. Yes, this is Sunny from Foshan Susunda LED Lights Company. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
We are ready for your presentation.
Okay, and actually, we have our own brand, which is called Leos. Yes, we established our brand like this one. Yes, Leos, and we established our brand in 2018. And actually, let me introduce our company first. And Fosun Leos LED Lights Company, we are the professional manufacturer of the GU10 and MR16 downlight fixtures like this, and the spotlights, the GU10 or MR16 spotlights and the LED downlights like this. This is the LED downlights, and we also have the panel lights, the LED bulbs, and so on. So for the certification, we have CE Rose and ISO 9001. So our factory is located in Nanhai, Foshan. Right. This is our products, and I'm gonna show you later. Right. Okay. Maybe I hold my phone and you can see the products clearly.
Yeah, thank you. That will be great. Thank you so much.
Okay, and maybe first one, I'm gonna introduce our one of our series for this year, like this one. This is our new item in 2021. This one, it is waterproof. You can see here that there is a silicone here at the back, but this one, it is the sample, so maybe we just like this. But this is the downlight fixture for GU10 and MR16. You can see the glass here. The glass is frosted, but you can also have the transparent one. And the biggest characteristic for this item, it is 360-degree rotatable.
Oh.
As you can see, this one I'm now rotate the inner ring, the inner part here.
Oh, so the inner ring is 360-degree rotatable.
Yes, and you can see this is our downlight fixture, the new design for this year, and you can see this is the design for last year. It is also 360-degree rotatable. And yes, but this one it is
different.
Yes, this one is not waterproof, but this one it is IP65 for the bathroom or for the indoor lighting, and it is
so you have
kind of
upgrade your product.
Yes, and this one it is also popular actually. This one it is very popular in the Midwest countries. And also at the back side, like this one, you can see it may not as convenient for the clients to assemble with the LED bulb, and we have just modified the back side. It will be the 3 spots at the back, so the clients may more conveniently to assemble with the LED bulb. Yes. And you can see this one, it is very hostile. And
because
this is
most of the time, the MR16 label size maybe is same size, almost same size as the downline opening. So so you did that design is very friendly to the client that for installation.
Yes, yes, sorry. And maybe I continue to introduce this one. This one is kind of heavy, and the item number is SC889. And we also have the round shape like this one. This one, it is transparent glass, and you can see here. But this one, it is with COB. Yes. And we will have a driver attached with this position. And if our client order this whole item, and this is our square shape, also the transparent glass, and it is with COB, and the chip is Cree, and the driver is Philips. Yes, that's what we usually do for our LED downlights. Yes.
You were using the very good material because Cree LED is from a brand in American. The LED chip is import from American.
Yes. And but
Philips, Philips also is a very famous brand for driver. So you were using a very top high-end material and components for your parts.
Yes, but maybe according to our clients' different preference, maybe some client would like to have this this design, but they may want to have the lower cost for their plan, for their maybe they do not want the Cree chip and the Philips driver, and we can recommend him to have the lower cost plan. He can match this downlight fixture with the G10 or MR16 LED bulbs, or with our lower cost chip and the drivers, which are made in China. So the cost may be lower, and we can suggest our client a more competitive plan. Yes.
So that could be more competitive price option for the client if they don't choose the Cree LED and Philips driver. And you could also use some other good quality, durable, but more better price components for client.
Yes, sure. And our quality and our warranty for the LED downlights can be 2 to 3 years, and also some can depend on our clients' the preference. Like if they can accept the warranty maybe for 1 year, and the price may be a little bit different compared to the 3 years and 5 years.
And so that means the client, they could custom made the product per their budget. If they have their higher budget, they can use more longer warranty product.
Like this, like with the Philips driver and the Cree chip. Yes, just according to their budget.
And your design is very classical and elegant. The white and the matte black.
Yes. And this is the frosted black. Yes. Not as smooth as the matte black, and you can compare maybe.
So one is I think in American market we call the one is called matte black, and another one that I think they call it eggshell shining. It looks a little bit matte, but it's smooth, and that is easier for cleaning.
Yes, this one, right? More smooth. And maybe I can introduce you our next series, and it is also outstanding for the downlight fixtures, and it is called trimless. You can see also we have the round and square shape for the same collection. This is called trimless, and this is the inner ring. It can be taken out, so the customers can put the LED bulbs and After they assemble, yes, after they assemble with the LED bulbs, and just put this inner part back.
That's very cool. So that we don't need to take out the lamp, and we could just remove the inner ring and install the light bulb, and then put the ring back.
Yes, and also this is the round shape, and our engineer just modify, and like this is. It is a fireproof downlight fixtures with this is the round shape for this collection, but now we modified it and it becomes a fireproof downlight fixtures, also chimneyless design, which will be more modern for the fireproof series. Right.
So this is for the 4 to 5 star hotel and trimless downlight.
Yes, trimless. Right. And next, maybe I introduce you. It is also very trendy, though it is traditional, but many countries are still looking for this. This is the iron series, and we can customize different kinds of colors. This is the classic colors, the black and this is the shiny white. Yes,
that's white.
It is shiny white, and we also have the gold color, the chrome and the plated colors. Yes. And the iron collection will be much cheaper than this. And as this is made of the aluminum or the aluminum alloy, so this one, the iron connection will be much cheaper, but it is also very durable, as we also have the warranty for our downlight fixtures 1 to 2 years. So the clients will not worry about our quality or the warranty stuffs.
And I have saw a lot of this kind of product that being used, some being used on the ceiling, flush ceiling that were pre-installation on the ceiling. And also for some of the lighting fixture, they will also purchase this part to put it onto their lighting fixture as well.
And it's this one, yes. This one, the quantity, the MOQ will be 1,000 pieces. Yes, as this one has a low price, but this which are made of aluminum alloy, the MOQ is 500 pieces. Yes.
Okay. So, Sunny, could you tell us your contact number? Because I think a lot of clients that cannot wait to contact you.
Okay. My contact number is 180.
180.
2810.
2810.
3424.
Okay, so let me repeat it for Sunny.
Okay.
Sunny's contact number is 0086 180 2810 3424. So you may contact Sunny. Yeah, for their own design spotlight. The spotlight with 360-degree rotation, and also you can choose with the Cree LED and with Philip driver.
Like this.
Thank you so much to show us your product, Sunny. We wish to see you next time, and maybe next time we can walk through the factory if we have time.
Yes, feel free to visit our factory.
Thank you so much. I like your product. It's very classical.
Thank you, Joyce.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hope to see you next time.
Okay,
Bye
bye-bye.
bye.